Good morning, students, teachers, and all staff of Baton. Can I please have your attention for the announcements? Well, yesterday on the announcements, we started to get into our monthly theme from our BBO, which is to find solutions, no BCD. And remember that finding solutions means that you are being a problem solver. Each and every day, we have many different problems we're going to solve. Some are big, some are small, some are so tiny you solve them without even thinking about it. In fact, it's pretty cool when you think about being a problem solver, someone who can find solutions. It's going to make you take pride in your actions. It also means that you can be an independent thinker. An independent thinker is someone that doesn't always need another person to tell them exactly what they need to do to figure things out. They're able to figure some things out on their own, which I think is pretty cool. So let's work hard at that finding solutions portion. But now let's take a look at the second half of that behavior, which is no BCD. And let's talk about why that is a part of this behavior. What does it mean, no BCD? Well, the B stands for the word blame. And that's when you encounter a problem and you blame it on somebody else. That's their fault or something else's fault. The C stands for complain. So you come across a problem and you complain about it or whine about it, okay? And the D stands for defend. And you come across a problem and talk about how it's not my fault that it's a problem. I did whatever I can do, or there's nothing I can do about that. That's what the D stands for in defend. So let's try out each one of those real quick on a simple problem and then see if those responses of blaming, complaining, and defending help solve that problem. Yesterday, I brought up maybe a simple problem you encounter in the morning is you can't find your coat. Okay, so let's pretend that this morning, and maybe this actually happened with you, you are not able to find your coat. So we have to think about how can we find that solution to locate my coat. Let's try on BCD. First, let's use blame. Well, I can't find my coat because you didn't put it where I'm able to find it. And a lot of times my brother picks it up and takes it away. Well, by trying blame, did I find a solution? Did my coat just appear because I blamed it on other people? I don't think so. Well, let's try complaining out and see how that works. I can't find my jacket. Oh, I'm never going to be able to find it. Now I'm probably going to be running late for school. This happens to me all the time. I'm never able to find my coat. Well, did that response of complaining make my coat just appear and now I have it and I'm ready to go? I don't think it's going to work that way. Well, let's try the last one. Let's try defending. You can't find your jacket? Well, it's not my fault. I always put my jacket and hang it up on a hanger and put it in the closet where it's supposed to be. I don't know what else I can do about it. Well, does using that response help my coat just magically appear? Did that help me solve that problem? I think not. And this is why this is the second portion of our behavior of finding solutions, no BCD. Because you'll find out if you learn a little bit more and really think about what it means to blame, complain, and defend, you'll figure out that that's never going to help you find a solution. In fact, all it does is kind of drag the problem out a little bit more or even make the problem a little bit bigger. So I challenge you to go about your day being a problem solver, finding solutions, and taking pride in your actions. So now let's get ready to work together and find all the solutions that are needed to make this a great final day of this school week. And now will you please stand, face the flag, put your right hand over your heart, and join me for the Pledge of Allegiance and the Baton Pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. At Baton Memorial Elementary School, we work together to do great things for others. We have a relentless pursuit of growth to get better every day. We own it. We own our actions and choices. We want to be the best versions of ourselves. Well, thank you, everyone. Today is Friday, February 5th, 2021. For lunch today, French bread pizza, salad, fruit, and milk. We do have a few birthdays to celebrate today, so happy birthday to Ella Carmen, Mason McLaughlin, and Kinsley Belials. We hope the three of you get to enjoy your birthdays today, and we want to say happy early birthday to Nicole Allen, who was a birthday over the weekend, and we hope, Nicole, that you get to enjoy that birthday over this weekend we have coming up. Just one other announcement this morning, a reminder to all students. Remember, breakfast is not served at Baton when we have a 2-hour delay, such as today. That's why there was no breakfast this morning. And know that Monday, when we return to school, that is a scheduled 2-hour delay. So there will not be any breakfast in the building. So make sure you're planning ahead, getting something to eat before you come to school. So that way your brain is fueled and you're ready to go for the day. And that will be it for the announcements this morning. So please remember, we're going to work hard to find solutions. No BCD. Make it a great Friday, Baton.